Hey guys, it's Sherman. I'm one of the techs here at video1repair.com. I'm working on a Sony A7R2 camera that has a bad micro USB port. The micro USB cable was tripped on, causing damage to the port. Testing the camera, I found that it has no connection when you try and connect it to either the computer, the plug-in power, or any other accessories. I inspected the micro USB port and could see that it had physical damage, so it needed to be replaced. When replacing the USB port, we use a new part sourced directly from Sony. The port is not soldered to the main board using traditional soldering methods and needs specialized rework soldering equipment as well as experience with this type of soldering to remove and replace it. After installing the new micro USB port, it's now time to put the camera back together for testing. As you can see, the micro USB port is working perfectly now. If you have any questions about having the micro USB port on your Sony A7R2 camera replaced, please give us a call or visit our website at video1repair.com.